start. Honorable members, my government believes that building modern infrastructure will serve as a strong foundation for a new and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Rapid execution of major infrastructure projects and their completion, even during the coronavirus pandemic, demonstrates our resolve, be it the submarine optical fiber cable from Chennai to Port Blair, the Atal Tunnel, or the Char Dham road project. Our country has been forging ahead with developmental work. A few days back, sections of the eastern and western dedicated freight corridors have been dedicated to the nation. Along with promoting industrialization in eastern India, this freight corridor will also reduce unnecessary delays during transit. For modernizing the country's infrastructure, my government is also working on the national infrastructure pipeline worth over rupees 110 lakh crore. Along with this, work on 6 new expressways and 18 new access controlled corridors under the Bharatmala Pariyojana is in progress. Be it the Ro-Pax ferry service between Hazira and Gogha in Gujarat, or the seaplane service between Kevadia and Sabarmati river front, these are lending a new dimension to water transport in India. Embodying the pride of having the world's tallest statue of Sardar Patel, Kevadia is now connected with direct trains from many cities of the country. Para, to transform the country into a gas-based economy, work on gas connectivity is being expedited. A few days back, Kochi-Mangaluru gas pipeline has been dedicated to the nation. The construction of Dobhi-Durgapur gas pipeline is boosting the surge of Urja Ganga. This pipeline will go up to West Bengal and will make gas available to various industries, especially the fertilizer plants of eastern India. Similarly, work on the Tuticorin Ramnathpuram gas pipeline that provides gas connectivity to fertilizer plants and other industrial units in Tamil Nadu is progressing at a fast pace. My government considers urban development as an opportunity, and that is why massive investment is being made in urban infrastructure. More than 1 crore houses had been sanctioned for the poor in cities, of which about 40 lakh houses have already been constructed. A few days back, work on construction of houses based on modern technology has also been started in 6 cities of the country. A scheme has also been initiated for providing better and affordable rental housing facilities for the laborers working in cities. This shall make people not to migrate suddenly stop.